With Cleanup Mesh in RapidPipeline, you can quickly fix frequent issues in your models, like mesh normals or winding order, ideal for models coming from CAD pipelines to make them ready for real-time. This Gusto-Car CAD model has some sections with wrong winding order, as we can see when opening the normal view, where if we click Flip, they look correct. It'd be possible to manually fix these issues, but it could be tedious and time-consuming. That's where RapidPipeline steps in. Inside RapidPipeline for 3ds Max, you'll find several actions. For this case, we'll use Cleanup Mesh. You can adjust settings like the computation method or enable vertex merging in case your model has unconnected vertices that should be fixed. In this case, we'll enable Fix Winding Order and hit Run. The car has now been cleaned up. The winding order of the faces has been fixed. And now the normals are looking in the correct direction. It's a small fix that will improve drastically how our model looks. Depending on your needs, you may want to adjust the normal head angle threshold. With determines at what angle normals are computed hard. Setting it to 0 will set all angles to hard, and 180 will set all angles to smooth. Optimize your models fast, flexibly, and effortlessly with RapidPipeline for 3ds Max. Try it for free or chat with our human team right on the website.